What's going on, everyone? It's Andrew from MAO Magic, and I am very happy to be doing this review as well as the partner review. We have the Moment Telelens with us here. We also have the wide angle lens, which will be linked to at the end of this video, or you can find it on our channel. But we have the couple of different lenses, both from the Moment company. Now, when you first open these, you have this nice little heavy-duty card here, which has a nice photo on the back, as well as a little bit about the photographer who took it. Now, these are very premium lenses. If you look at other ones like the Olloclips, they are fine. They work very well, but they're not a premium lens. If you're looking for pretty much the best lens that you can get for your phone or even your tablet, if you're going to go ahead and put one of these onto your tablet, the Moment lenses are pretty much as premium as you can go. They run $99 per lens, and they have three different available. The Telelens, which is the zoom lens, which is 2x zoom, which is what we have here. They have the wide angle lens, which is basically twice as much wide angle, and you have the macro lens, which is going to allow you to get some great close-up photography. When you open the box, you're going to get a couple things. You're going to have the lens itself as well as this nice little microfiber carrying case. This will allow you to clean the front of the lens as well as store it when you don't have this connected to your phone. The lens itself is quite heavy. It is all metal going around the outside, nice and premium feeling with the Moment logo on one side and the 60mm designation on the other. On the back, you'll find the bayoneting and the little dots so you know where to line it up. And inside, you'll find the actual lenses themselves. This is going to be a 4-element, 4-group lens inside of there, and it's going to be slightly wider than the actual camera, so that we'll be able to get rid of any vignetting or distortion around the edges compared to a lot of the other ones out there on the market. We're looking at you, Olloclip. Now, if you're wondering how you actually attach this to your device, you're going to get a little package like this. We have ours here for the iPhone 6s Plus or the 6 Plus, and inside you're going to find the actual mounting bracket as well as an extra adhesive. This will work on many different phones, not just iPhones. This will work on Galaxy or other Nexus devices as well as some tablets. Now, Moment claims that they were in talks with Apple in creating this lens, that they worked with them to create basically a very premium lens for the iPhone. Whether or not you believe that is up to you. I have no reason to not believe it. However, it seems funny that something like this would not be carried in the Apple stores if that really was the case. If they were working with them, you'd think there would be some cross-promotion with this actually in the stores. Now, once you go ahead and spend some time trying to remove the adhesive from the back of your bayoneting clip here, once that's removed, you can go ahead and line it up on the back of your phone or tablet. Now, you do go very slow because you do not want to remove this and have to read here. You could, because it does come with that second adhesive, but you don't want to damage this little thin piece of metal in the process. Now, I do prefer this method of mounting the lenses because there are lenses out there that connect magnetically. And there have been times when that magnet will interfere with the optical stabilization in the iPhone 6 Plus and the 6s Plus, which would directly affect me, so I prefer this mounting plate design instead. Now, this will work with cases. There is a full list of compatible cases on their website, but it will slide right underneath. So obviously, I also have a magnetic car mount, so I'm going to toss that little piece of metal in there, as well as the mounting plate, and this will slip right underneath the Apple leather case or the silicone case. And there's a ton of other cases that they have actually tested out on their website, and you can let them know which ones you've tested and which ones don't work easily enough on their website. Now, mounting the lens will work just like it would on your DSLR. Simply put that little dot there, that's going to be where you're going to line up, and that's going to go out. When you're looking at the back of your phone, it's going to be on the left-hand side, the opposite side of the flash. Then you're going to rotate it 90 degrees to the right, and you will see that 60mm and the Moment logo on the left-hand side completely being now parallel with your phone. So it'll simply lock into place. It'll be very secure. It'll be held on there very nicely. And that way you're not going to have any distortion because it's going to be lined up perfectly with your actual lens itself. Now, if we want to go ahead and open up the camera app on our iPhone, we can simply swipe up here from the lock screen and you will see how we're looking through our 2x Telelens here. Obviously, we can't focus on anything too particularly close just because of that's how the iPhone camera is in general. But generally, it's going to give you a really nice 2x zoom, and there's going to be zero distortion around this lens. So it's going to be a very nice lens. I really like this, and we're going to have some sample shots here at the end of this video as well. Now, one of my problems with these lenses is because the side of the lens that mounts to the phone is very small, and it actually is recessed in, and a little bit of dust can get in there, which could affect the quality of your photos. They do sell a little tool that makes it really easy to clean those off, and they sell a lens cap as well, but neither of those are included, so you kind of have to blow in there or use something small to kind of get any of that dust out. Now, Moment does come with an app that you can download in the App Store. This is by no means necessary. This works very well with the Moment Lens case, which is a fancy case that basically turns this into an SLR with a little button and a better grip on there. So if that's something you're looking for, you can find that from the Moment app or the moment.co website. But we are going to look at the app for the lenses that we're going to particularly be using. You can order any supplies right from the app. It'll take you to the website, but there's also a lot of manual controls here for taking photos. So I can turn on grid lines, auto exposure, any of those settings that I want to actually have that fine control over. And the important part, I guess, for the app, what the app is originally created for, and that's to let you know which lens it is that you are using. So you can mark the wide, tele, or the macro lenses. This would be letting the camera know and putting that into the metadata that you shot this with, say, an iPhone 6s Plus and the tele lens. So here are some sample photos. Here we have the standard iPhone, and here we have it with the zoom lens on. So you can see we have twice that zoom there. Here again is a standard photo shot with the phone, and here it is with that 2x zoom. So obviously we have an indoor shot and an outdoor shot. Here's another simple indoor shot, close range. This is with the standard phone, and this is going to be with that zoom lens. You're going to get twice as close there, but still with that crystal clear clarity. And here's another medium range outdoor shot going from far to with the zoom lens on. Now, if we break this down between the pros and cons, it has a very, very premium metal body. This is basically as nice as it's going to feel. It feels like a standard DSLR high-end lens. It's got a four-element lens, 4-group lens in here. It has the accompany app, so you can let it know which lens it is that you are using to add that into your metadata, which is great for professional photographers. It has nice little travel bags you can use also to clean the lenses. There is pretty much no distortion on these lenses at all comparing them to the original, and definitely compared to many other lenses out there on the market. And that slim bayonet mounting plate is awesome. It works just like a DSLR, and it'll easily fit under most cases. If we go ahead and take a look at the con side of everything here, it's a little bit hard to clean the inside of the lenses. If you just keep them protected, it's not going to be too big of a deal, but that can be a problem, and you would have to buy the extra adapter to make it really easy to clean inside. And there's no included lens cap. While they do sell them, you don't get them. You'd think, especially for the price point, you'd be able to have a lens cap included, but at least they give you those bags so you have some protection. And they can be a bit large. They're definitely on the larger side, which I don't mind because they do feel more premium that way compared to the smaller ones where they're cheaping out on materials and glass on the lenses as well. That larger diameter that they're giving is what allows it to get rid of that distortion that other lenses will cheap on slightly smaller diameters, and that's going to give some fisheye effect, especially when using a tele or a wide-angle lens. Now, if you are interested in picking one of these up for yourself, you can find the link in the description below. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, add MAO Magic to your Apple newsfeed, and check out our website, maomagic.com. If you want to check out the other lens, our wide-angle lens, you can see that video. At the end of this one, we have a link to it. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time.